And this video will show you how to publish your app from Replit to Google Play Store. First of all, you need to open your Replit account. Then you need to go to your projects page and choose your project you want to publish on Google Play Store. For example, I will publish this project. You need to copy the URL of your project. Just click this copy icon right here. And then you need to open this website, which is called median.co, and you need to paste the URL of your project right here. Then click on build your app and write the name of your app. Then write valid email address. Click on start building my app and wait until this green line goes to the end. Then you need to scroll a little bit down and click on this download button right here. Then we need to convert our app into Android APK AAP file. Right here, click on build, wait again, then press on download and choose download AAP, which we will need to use to upload the app on Google Play Store. Then we need to go to developer.android.com. You need to create an account, but you need to pay one-time fee, which is $25 while creating an account. After you will create an account, then you need to click on create app listing. You need to enter your app description. You also need to choose it's free or paid. You also need to upload icons, etc. guys. And finally, you need to upload your AAP file, which is your app, and you need to publish it. It will take from 48 hours to 7 days. Usually, this is the period of time they need to review your app, and if your app meets the Google Play Store criteria, they will publish your app. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.